Hi guys, this is Anna from Turtle Fam. I'm going to be doing an unboxing video today. We got the rest of our curriculum from christianbook.com in the mail. This is just the rest of the stuff we were waiting for. We already have everything else. After this video, I will do a few videos of curriculum per grade level that we're doing. So here we go, box number 1. Sorry, trying to move my lens cap out of the way. Okay, in this box we have Spelling UC Level D Americana. We have Rosetta Stone Spanish Level 1. Abeka Science Investigating God's World. It's for 5th grade. We have IEW Elegant Essay Writing Lessons. Teacher Quiz and Worksheet Key for the Investigating God's World. Matthew C. in Gamma. IEW Writing Research Papers. And that is it for that box. Box number 2. Sorry guys, this is a little awkward to do with the camera in your hand. Teaching textbooks, pre-algebra, DVDs. The Creative Writer. I'm really excited for this one. This one's going to be for my 8th grader. Alright, a unit study for A Wrinkle in Time. America Land I Love. Abeka History for 8th grade. Spelling UC Level G. Quizzes and worksheets for Investigating God's World. There's 2 of them because I have 2 5th graders. Handwriting, A Reason for Handwriting Level D. And again, there's 2 of them because I have 2 kids doing the same school year. Algebra 1, teaching textbook. We already have the DVDs, so this is the rest of the kit. And teaching textbooks, pre-algebra, the rest of the kit. And Little Women. And Investigating God's World, the answer key to the actual textbook. Alrighty. Now we're getting somewhere. Box number 3. Oop, there's an extra packing slip in there. Aha! Black Beauty. This is The Once and Future King and The Time Machine. This is Geography Studies and Projects to go with Abeka Science, Earth and Space, their 8th grade science, and Old World History and Geography. This is Abeka's 5th grade. Sorry, I'm not doing too great with the camera here. Then rubber band everything together. So 2 of my 4 Fix-It Grammar books. The unit study for The Once and Future King. Science activity book for 8th grade. Unit study for Black Beauty. Should get this rubber band off one-handed. The map activities for 5th grade, again, I have 2. Fix-It Grammar, the other 2 books. I know that I could copy things and print, but I'm lazy and I would just rather purchase enough for everybody. Alright, the activity book for 8th grade. Unit study for the time machine. Answer key for science, earth, and space. Unit study for the secret garden, which we already have the book to it. Math UC Delta. And no, we do not have the discs for these lower levels of Math UC. I don't buy the discs for because, or the DVDs for, because my girls just don't use them. And they prefer me to help them. And then another level D spelling UC, because again, I have 2 kids doing the same grade. So that is it for our unboxing video. I will organize all this stuff and then set up some videos to show what we're doing for each grade level and add in the stuff that we already have purchased. Thanks for watching. Please give me a thumbs up if you enjoy seeing some of this stuff. Leave some comments below if you've used some of this stuff and have anything to say. And please subscribe so you can see more of our videos. Thank you.